In this video we will be discussing about the concept called while loop condition. Satisfy then only that loop will work until analysis will wait for the condition to satisfy. That is the beauty of while loop. Mostly in Python programming we are using while loop to get an infinite loop. Let's see how we can start with. For that I wanted to print something with a delay. So first I have to import the sleep module from the time function. First step is then we have to say that which module you wanted to use. There is a module called a time somewhere we use time also from that what you wanted to import. I wanted to import something called sleep. Better not to import time only because inside the time module there are a lot of functions available. So if you import only the time module, then the program whenever it is running did have more because all the functions has been loaded there. But you have to import what are the functions you needed from each and every module. Here I imported a function called sleep from the module called time. Some programs you may use your time also will work. Just go to the next step to create while. You have to use the syntax while then the while loop. I wanted to make it through all this. Then only I will get an infinite loop. This is the one mostly we use. We have to use a boolean called it true and full colon indication is very important. There is sufficient indentation is here. So here it is going to print hello world. So here I wanted to give a small gap to print each and every time the hello world. For that I can use sleep. Then here the time I am giving in seconds. So if I want 1 second gap then I can give in the value as 1 over here half second you can give in 0.5 like that. Now here it is. Y is always true, that's the way here it is. I have mentioned now it is always true. It will work as an infinite loop. Then what will happen? It started printing her word. Let's see, we will be uploading the code into the MicroPython. It is asking where you wanted to save it. I'm saving in the I can go to my desktop which I created a temporary folder and here I can save. You can see in the shell or in the apple it started printing. Now we can't see it continuously started printing now. In between suppose you wanted to interrupt for this print or the program there is a keyword shortcut Ctrl+C. If you press Ctrl+C then what will happen? The program will stop there so you can get by using a keyboard you can give an interrupt on the program. Let me run 1 second. You can see started printing somewhere you identified that your program is wrong or you wanted to stop it there and you can use the keyword shortcut and Rho+F to give an internet. Now it is got interrupted. Now the program is not running in the MicroPython. Then I wanted to soft reboot a task by Pico. There are keyword shortcut available that is Ctrl+D. So if I press Ctrl+D you see that it went to soft reboot so it started a new chattering software here. So keep remember these two shortcuts Ctrl+C for keyword interrupt and Ctrl+D for soft reboot. Thank you. See you on the next video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.